Pull it all together on your next pull with the SIMpull Wire Barrel Circuit Barrel system by Southwire. To help ensure your circuit home run installation is completed quickly, safely, and successfully, please follow these simple instructions. To set up your SIMpull Wire Barrel Circuit Barrel system, load the circuit barrel container onto your Maxxis barrel truck hand truck. Secure it with the chain and hook. Tilt the hand truck back by placing your foot on the top wheel axle, never the bottom axle. Grabbing the top bar with both hands, pull back using your weight as leverage until all 4 wheels are on the ground. To turn the hand truck using the least amount of effort, raise the front wheels off the ground, pivoting the back wheels to the desired direction. Maintaining all 4 wheels on the ground when traveling in a straight line will make it easier to roll over cords and small construction debris. Once you get to the pull location, carefully place the hand truck in a stationary, upright position and choose one of the following options to complete your setup. If you are feeding conductors directly from the Maxxis barrel truck hand truck, release the hook. Position the adjustable feed arm over the center of the container opening, approximately 2 feet above the top, and remove the lid and the interior cover from the barrel container. Insert the pre-taped end of the barrel conductors through the barrel tap wire guide ring. Create your pulling head, keeping the cables even with no slack on any of the conductors in the barrel configuration. Attach the head to fish tape, pull rope, or pull string. If you are feeding conductors from the Maxxis barrel tap wire guide, first, remove the hand truck from the wire barrel circuit barrel container. Remove the lid and the interior cover from the wire barrel circuit barrel container. Then position each leg of the barrel tap wire guide on the rim of the barrel. Secure each leg by hand tightening the attached thumb screw on the end of each leg to the top of the container. Insert the pre-taped end of the barrel conductors through the top ring of the barrel tap wire guide. Finally, create your pulling head, making sure you keep the cables even with no slack on any of the conductors in the barrel configuration. Attach the head to fish tape, pull rope, or pull string. Now you're ready to begin your pull. Truing up conductors is recommended to ensure a smooth and consistent pull every time you use your SIMpull Wire Barrel Circuit Barrel system. Reach into the SIMpull wire barrel, grabbing the barrel conductors with one hand as close as possible to the point where the barrel conductors begin to uncoil. Place your opposite hand next to the hand holding the parallel and move up the length of the conductors, removing any excess slack, until you reach the bottom of the wire guide ring. Then, hold the parallel just under the wire guide ring, and with your other hand, pull conductors taut, removing any remaining slack. Tape the conductors together just above the desired cut point and cut them even. This helps to ensure they are all the same length, taped together, and resting on the Maxxis barrel tap wire guide for your next pull. When it's time to clean up, ensure the parallel end is taped. Coil the parallel conductors back into the container through the wire guide ring, using one hand to wrap the coil around the center core and the opposite hand to provide tension so that the wires are neatly stacked back into the container. If possible, replace the interior cover and pull the wires back through the holes on the interior cover and barrel container for optimal storage. If you are using the barrel tap wire guide, unscrew the legs and remove the tap. The tap can be stored in the core of the wire barrel container. Replace and relatch the lid. If you are using the barrel truck hand truck, replace and relatch the lid. Lower the adjustable feed arm back to its original position and ensure the barrel is properly secured to the hand truck using the barrel hook and chain prior to moving. Following these simple directions will help ensure you get the best productivity possible from Southwire SIMpull Wire Barrel Circuit Barrel system. The SIMpull Wire Barrel, Maxxis Barrel Truck, and the Maxxis Barrel Tap tools and equipment are all a part of SIMpull Solutions products and services, only available from Southwire. For additional information on all our SIMpull Solutions products and services, visit our website at www.simpullsolutions.com. Southwire, you ain't seen nothing yet.